Hey there, physics class. We're actually going to go through another question today. We're actually going to go through number 1.55. As you eat your way through a bag of chocolate chip cookies, you observe that each cookie is a circular disc with a diameter of 8.5 plus or minus 0.02 centimeters and a thickness of 0.050 plus or minus 0.005 centimeters. First, in part A, we need to find the average volume of a cookie and the uncertainty in the volume. B, we need to find the ratio of the diameter to the thickness and the uncertainty in this ratio. So let's go through this. So I've drawn a picture of our cookie. So it's 8.50 centimeters plus or minus 0.02 centimeters in diameter. And then in width, we've got 0.050 plus or minus 0.05 centimeters. So what we're trying to find first, we're trying to find this ratio between the two. And we're going to try and find the volume first. So the volume, of course, we would take the area of this part of the cookie. So the area is pi r squared. And so r would be half the diameter, 4.25 squared times pi, which actually is 56.745. Then once we get that, we actually need to multiply that by the width, which is 0.05. That will bring us 2.84 as our volume. And then we need our percent of uncertainty, or our amount. In this case, with the diameter, we have an uncertainty of 0.02 centimeters. And with the width, we have an uncertainty of 0.005 centimeters. If we take the percentages, the percent error in the diameter is actually, I believe it's 0.1, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. I think it's probably about 0.1. And then the percent error in the width, I'm trying to think if this is the width or the diameter, I don't remember at this point, is 0.0024. Let me quickly punch that into a calculator so I can remember which one is which. So if we take out our calculator, we clear that off. If we say 0.02 divided by 8.50, that's, okay, so I mixed them up. Let's do this right. This right here is the percent, or in this case, I've left it as an amount rather than a percent. So the amount uncertainty of this one and the amount uncertainty of the width right here. So if we take these, I mean, if we were to do a percentage, this would be 10%, this would be 0.24, but we're just going to leave them like that. And if we add them up and multiply them by our volume, that's going to give us our uncertainty amount. So it's approximately about 0.3 centimeters, okay? 0.3 centimeters cubed, we're working with volume. Now for part B, we're trying to find the ratio between the diameter of the cookie and the width. So with the ratio, we just take this 8.50, we divide it by our width, 0.050, which gives us 170. Now we need to find our error. And for the error, if I did this right, which heaven knows, I've just taken the maximum amount of what it could be, the maximum ratio, so 8.52, because that's your 8.50 plus 0.02, divided by 0.405, which is actually just our 0.050 minus the 0.005 centimeters. So that gives us our biggest one. And if we subtract the 0.2 this time and then add the 0.005 this time, that's what gives us that. And by subtracting those two, we get 35. So I did 170 plus or minus 35. So that's what I got for that equation, and thanks for watching.